Alright guys, so the goal of this video is to add images into our project. There are a couple different ways to do that. The first way is to actually upload the file to your project. Notice on the left hand side I have my index.html, my style.css. I also have my images folder. If I click on my images folder, I don't have anything in there yet. So what I need to do is go and find the image that I want to upload. So I'm going to open up pexels.com, and I've just searched for beautiful photos and I want to find the one that I like. Once I find one that I like, I'm going to click on it. And then I go to this free download button here. If you click on the drop down, you can choose different sizes of the photo. I'm going to choose the medium one for now and then click on free download. It automatically downloads that file to my computer, and now I'm ready to go back to my CodeSandbox. On this images folder, that's where I want to upload my picture to. This little up arrow here, if I hover over that, that is for uploading files. So I'm going to click on that up arrow. Then find the picture on your computer and open the picture. It's going to take it a moment to upload, but now you can see in that images folder I have my image. Now that I have my picture uploaded, I need to be able to add it into the source attribute of my tag. To make it easier on myself, I'm going to rename this file so that it's not so long in my source attribute here. So I'm going to right click and rename it. I'm just going to rename it beautiful, and I need that suffix for the JPEG. It needs to know that it's an image. Now when I go and find this file, it's going to know that this is an image here. So in the source, I need to find the path to my images folder. The images folder is on the same level as my index. So I indicate that with a ./. Notice that it comes up with the images folder. So when I click on images, it brings that up, and now I can type in beautiful.jpg. Notice then it adds my image into my window. Remember, we want to add alternate text, so we can say beautiful mountain background. Notice none of that shows up in our picture. That's just alternate text in case for some reason the picture doesn't load, or for a screen reader to be able to read. Alright, so that's the first way to add an image. Now let's get rid of the source and alt text, and let's do a different method. Alright, so I now have a blank source attribute and a blank alternate text attribute. So now I want to go and find my image again on Pexels. This time I'm not going to upload it into my project. I'm going to reference it from another place. So I'm going to go to Pexels and find my image again. This time, instead of downloading it, I'm going to right click. It's going to give me several options. The option that I want to pick is copy image address. I do not want to choose copy link address because that will just give me the link to this page. I want to actually copy the image address that will give me the copy to the file. So when I copy image address, go back to our CodeSandbox and then paste that directly into our image source. And so we see our image shows up once again. So those are the two ways to add images to your projects, either by uploading the file directly or by copying the image address.